Note: the video shown may depict a different version of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to this notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, memory door, wireless LAN mini card, hard disk drive door, hard disk drive, optical disk drive, keyboard, top cover, speakers, USB board, power connector, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Disconnect the webcam microphone module cable from the webcam microphone module. Lift the webcam microphone module from the display enclosure. Note: the webcam microphone module is held in place with double-sided adhesive. Place the webcam microphone module in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam microphone module from the static dissipative bag. Align the webcam microphone module over the alignment pins in the display enclosure. Press the webcam microphone module down to adhere it to the display enclosure. Connect the webcam microphone module cable to the webcam microphone module.